to another beautiful video and welcome to Ojuolape space. Today I'm taking you on how to make our aadu. Aadu is a Yoruba word and it means sweetness, when something is sweet. And this aadu is easy to prepare, and you get them sugarcane and you share it among their peers to make them have a sweet life and to live long life. Aadu is also used during naming ceremony to pray for the newborn baby, that the newborn baby is going to experience sweetness, happiness throughout his lifetime on earth. So this aadu, I'm going to take you on how to prepare this aadu. It's easy to prepare, but firstly I'm going to take you to the market on how we process our corn powder, because we are getting our aadu from corn powder. So I'm going to take you on the journey of how this corn powder is being prepared. If you're watching me for the very first time, my name remains Ojuolape space. I live right here in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I'm a content creator. I do video on market vlog and how to do some hidden Nigerian African recipe. I'll also bring that to your view. And if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for always coming back to always watch my video. If you like this type of content, just put it in the comment section and tell me any other eating secret ingredients that has not been posted on video. Let me bring it right to your screen. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's dash into the market and see how our corn powder is being processed. See you.
A powdered corn, we need white corn. You don't use the other yellow corn. So this is the one we use for to make the corn powder. And this particular one, these are the major. A Congo is going for 400 naira. So this is the white corn that you're going to get. The corn is being processed into powder. The grinded corn, put your pot on fire on it. It can be your fry pan or your pot. So I'm making use of my pot here. Then you mix, you continually mix. Please, when you're mixing, don't allow it to stay so long before you mix it. You continue to mix it so that it will not get burnt. I'm going to mix it in such a way that it's going to be so dry and it's going to be let me say this golden brown, not too brown. It's brown now. I've fried it a bit. Just fry like that without water, nothing. Just fry it like that on the heat. It's my roasted corn. It's now different from when I bought it from the market. So after this, I'm going to transfer into a bowl to mix it. adding my dry pepper. I don't like too much pepper because this pepper is hot. I made it myself, so I'm just adding little. Then I'm going to add my salt to taste. Don't put excess salt. Then I'll make sure I mixed everything perfectly. After you've added every other thing, your last ingredient is going to be your palm oil, and you have to be generous with your palm oil because it consumes lots of palm oil. You don't, if you add excess, it's going to be so much, so you have to add it gradually and do the mixing thoroughly. Just adding my little final touch of palm oil, you can see that it has really blended together. After I finish mixing, I transferred it into a bowl and cover it up. Covering it up for 4 hours so that the ingredients, they're going to mix thoroughly. So I'm going to cover it up. That's how it looks like after 4 hours, and you can see that it has really changed. They have really mixed. So I'm going to transfer into where I'm going to wrap them. Now I'm using a dry leaf. I don't use wet leaf for this aadun. To me, wet leaves are not advisable because they are going to have some little reaction putting them together, because I'm going to wrap this and leave it for 1 hour. So leaving it for 1 hour, any chemical reaction might have taken place. So that's why I usually use dry leaf. so much for watching today's video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.